Number 1, we have the Lockly Secure Pro. The Secure Pro stands out with its advanced biometric security, featuring both a fingerprint sensor and a PIN Genie touchscreen keypad. This smart lock comes in deadbolt or latch versions with 3 finish options: satin nickel, Venetian bronze, and matte black. The lock measures approximately 8 inches tall and 3.5 inches wide, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic despite its substantial size. Security features include a capacitive fingerprint reader that prevents the use of lifted prints, and the PIN Genie technology protects against code theft by randomizing number positions. The included Wi-Fi hub enables remote control capabilities, while the door sensor provides real-time status updates and enables compatibility with Alexa and Google Home. The auto lock feature can be customized with adjustable timing, ensuring the door never remains accidentally unlocked. The lock includes comprehensive security monitoring through its companion app, allowing users to track entry history and manage access codes. Installation requires only basic tools, and the package includes all necessary mounting hardware.